Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Hand Tool Diaries. If your kitchen cabinets are looking tired, dated, or just plain ugly, don't rip them out. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to paint them like a professional, save yourself 10 to 20 grand, and end up with a finish so smooth your friends will swear you bought new cabinets. Let's get into it. First, the 4 mistakes that ruin every cabinet paint job. Bad prep, the wrong paint, rushing the dry time, and slathering on way too much product. Avoid those 4 and you're already ahead of 90% of DIYers. Promise. Tools. Here's your shopping list. A drill to pull off the hardware, a sanding sponge and an orbital sander, a stack of microfiber cloths, a quality degreaser, a paint sprayer if you've got one, or a microfiber roller and a good angled brush if you don't, and a drying rack. That's it. Nothing fancy. Step 1. Remove everything. Doors off, drawers out, hinges and knobs in a baggie. And listen, label every single door. Painter's tape on the inside of the cabinet, matching tape on the door. Trust me, when you're putting 20 doors back at midnight, you will thank me. Step 2. Degrease. This is the step everyone skips, and it's why their paint peels in 6 months. Kitchen cabinets are coated in years of grease, grime, and cooking spray you didn't even know was there. Hit them with Crud Cutter or TSP, scrub every surface, then wipe clean with a damp microfiber. Don't move on until the cabinets squeak. Step 3. Sanding. Grab 120 or 150 grit. We're not trying to strip down to bare wood. We just want to scuff the surface so the primer has something to grip. A light, even pass everywhere. Then, vacuum the dust, wipe with a tack cloth, and you're done. 5 minutes per door, tops. Step 4. Primer. This is non-negotiable. You need a bonding primer. Bin, shellac, sticks, or cover stain are my top 3. 2 thin coats, never 1 thick coat. And here's the pro move. Lightly sand with 220 grit between coats. That's the secret to a glass smooth finish. Step 5. The paint. Do not, I repeat, do not use wall paint on cabinets. It will scratch, chip, and peel. You need a cabinet-grade enamel. My 3 favorites, Sherwin-Williams Emerald Urethane, Benjamin Moore Advance, and Cabinet Coat by Inzel X. All 3 self-level, dry hard, and look factory finished. Step 6. Spraying. If you've got a sprayer, this is where the magic happens. Hold the gun 6 to 8 inches away, keep it moving in steady passes, and overlap each pass by 50%. 2 to 3 thin coats beats 1 thick coat every single time. Thick coats drip, sag, and stay tacky forever. Thin and patient, that's the rule. Step 7. No sprayer? No problem. Grab a microfiber roller, not foam, foam leaves bubbles, and an angled brush for the corners and detail areas. Same rules apply. Thin coats, 2 or 3 of them, light sand between. You can absolutely get a near spray finish with a roller if you take your time. Step 8. Dry time. Here's where everyone blows it. Paint dries to the touch in a few hours, but it doesn't fully cure for 2 to 3 weeks. That means no slamming doors, no stacking dishes hard against the surface, and definitely no scrubbing for the first couple of weeks. Patience here is the difference between a finish that lasts 10 years and one that chips in 10 days. Step 9. Reinstall. Hardware back on, doors back up, using those labels you made, and stand back. Because the before and after on cabinets is unreal. We're talking a kitchen that looked like it belonged in 1985 now looks like a $15,000 custom job. And you did it for the price of a few cans of paint and a weekend of your time. That's 10 to 20 grand back in your pocket versus replacing them. So that's the whole process. Prep hard, prime right, use real cabinet paint, thin coats, and let it cure. Follow those rules and you cannot mess this up. If this helped you out, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next project here on the Hand Tool Diaries. Got questions about your cabinets, your paint, your sprayer, anything? Drop them in the comments. I read every single one and I'll get you sorted. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you in the next one. Happy painting!